Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi cup noodles. First, grab your favorite instant ramen and a good amount of kimchi. You'll also need some hot water, a microwave-safe bowl, and maybe a fork. For an extra touch, consider adding a soft-boiled egg or some fresh green onions. This simple method will have you enjoying a delicious meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's get those noodles ready. Open your instant noodle package and take out all the seasoning packets. Place the dry noodles directly into your microwave-safe bowl. Then, sprinkle the seasoning powder and any dried vegetable flakes right over the noodles. This ensures all the flavors will meld together perfectly as they cook. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, kimchi. Add a generous spoonful or two of your favorite kimchi directly into the bowl with the noodles and seasoning. Then, carefully pour hot water over everything, just enough to cover the noodles completely. Give it a gentle stir to make sure all the ingredients are well mixed and ready to cook. Finally, it's time to cook. Place your bowl in the microwave and heat it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the noodles are tender. Once cooked, let it rest for 1 minute to allow the flavors to deepen. If you like, add any extra toppings like a cooked egg or chopped green onions. Your easy kimchi cup noodles are now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.